My name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start this video without having the further delay. So basically, this video is going to be routine of 19th June 2025, and today is Thursday. So basically, in this video, I'm going to share you like what is actually happening in my today's routine video and what is actually not happening. Right. So let's start this video without having any further delay. So basically today, first of all, I wake up. Then after that, I washed my mouth. Then after that, I woke up. Right. Then after that, I washed my mouth. Then after that, I talked to my mother, and also I talked to my sister. Then after that, I had certain some previous days of routine videos, right? Then at the time of evening, I went to the terrace. Then with mommy I came home, right? Then after that, I told to my father for going to TV repair. Basically, what is actually happening in my TV, there is a black screen is coming. That is why that is why they all any videos is not playing color with color, right? So yes. So at the time of evening, I ate food, and after that, a mechanic came. Basically, my father told to repair the mechanic. So the mechanic came home, and he is just trying to repair, but he had taken the TV and went to the maybe I think home or shop, so that he can repair all perfectly, right? So basically. Also, he don't have some items which he can put to be there, right? So that is why he brought the TV, right? He taken the TV to, and after repairing, then he will return, right? Then after some time later, I went for the sleep. So basically, this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kind of please like it, because whenever you like the videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner, right? So now in this video, I am going to do what? I am going to revise some questions of general knowledge of the taxation, whatever we have discussed from the, I think that last two videos, right? Last two or three videos, right? So let's start. So the question is, explain which category of person of the following would belong to. Howrah Municipal Corporation, local authority. Corporation Bank Limited, company. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, individual. Amitabh Bachchan Corporation Limited, company. A joint family of Srimati Ram, and it is of course HUF, Hindu Undivided Family. The question is, well, let me read again. A joint family of Srimati Ram, and their son Love and Kush. Now F part is Calcutta University. It is artificial juridical person, right? Juridical person, maybe, I think so. X and Y, who are legal heirs of Z, body of individuals. Sole proprietorship business, individual. Partnership business, firm. So yes. Now here is the now we are going to learn the meaning of assessee as per section 2 or subsection 7. What is assessee? Assessee means a person by whom any tax or any other sum of money is payable under this act, right? A person by whom any tax or any other sum of money, penalty or interest is payable under this act irrespective of the fact whether any proceeding under the act has been taken against him or not. Okay. Every person in respect of whom any proceeding under this act has been taken, whether or not he is liable for any tax, interest or penalty, for the assessment of his income or loss or the amount of refund due to him. A person who is assessable in respect of income or loss of another person. Okay, a person who is assessable in respect of income or loss of another person. Every person who is deemed to an assessee under any provision of the act. Let's read again. Every person in respect by whom any proceeding under this act has been taken, whether or not he is liable for any tax, interest or penalty for the assessment of his income or loss or the amount of refund due to him. A person who is assessable in respect of income or loss of another person, every person who is deemed to be an assessee under any provisions of this act, and a person who is deemed to be an assessee in default under any provision of this act. Example, a person who was liable to deduct tax but has failed to do so shall be treated as an assessee in default. So maybe I think so the meaning of this maybe the meaning of this is as follows: the person who is liable to pay tax, that is called the assessee. Maybe I don't know exactly so much about it. Now the most important topic, that is heads of income. What are the heads of income? Like, according to section 14 of the act, all income of a person shall be classified under the following 5 heads. Whatever the thing, whatever the earning doing the individual or a person or a body corporate or a juridical person or a local authority, company, individual, HUF, artificial juridical person, body of individual, firm, association of person, whatever they are earning is divided into 5 categories. From the 5 categories they can earn money, right? So the 5 categories are as follows: salaries, income under head salaries, income from house property, profit and gains of business or profession, profit and gains of business or profession, capital gains, income from other sources. These are the 5 categories on which a person or whatever who can earn money as per the examples what I gave, what I spoke, that is local authority, company, etc. Right? So now, significance of head of income, importance, characteristics, maybe I think so. Income charged under one head cannot be taxed under another head. The act contains different provisions for different heads of income. If any income is charged under a wrong head of income, the assessee may lose the benefit of deduction available to him under the correct head. Okay. Now, sources of income. There are only 5 heads of income as per section 14 of the act. But the assessee may generate the income. Okay, here is my pen. Now, there are only 5 heads of income as per section 14 of the act, but the assessee may generate the income from various sources. In the same head of income, there may be various sources of income. Example, under the head of income from house property, there may be there may be 2 or more house properties, and each house property shall be termed as a source of income. The source of income decides under which heads among the 5 heads income shall be taxable. From one source, from one heads there are so many sources where they can earn money. In an example, if there is house property, maybe a person have more than one house property. From everywhere he is liable to pay tax, right? So now, distinguish between heads of income and sources of income. Heads of income is 5 and sources of income is unlimited. Maybe I think so. Now, number, in point of number. In heads of income, there are 5 heads of income under this act. In sources of income, there are not countable numbers of sources of income. In a point of sequence, source of income is categorized under respective head. In source of income, each source of income is required to be classified under respective head. Okay. Provision, in point of provision, the act in the point of provision in the heads of income, that is the act contains different provisions for computation of income for each head of income. In source of income, sources of income. There is no separate provision for different sources of income. In point of origin, as per heads of income, that is, it is mere classification of various sources of income. In sources of income, it refers to the origin where from income arises. So yes guys, this is all what is actually happened till yet. So I think that it is all enough for today. So let's end the video guys. See you all. Bye bye.